Whole numbers. Whole numbers are the natural numbers. Normally we say that 1, 2, 3, 4. These all are the naturally occurring numbers. Next is predecessor and successor. Successor is the number that comes after adding 1 to that previous number. For example, the successor of 16 is 17. 16 plus 1 equals to 17. Normally we say that successor is the addition of that previous given number. Next is predecessor. Predecessor is the number that comes by subtracting 1 from that previous number. For example, the predecessor of 16 is 15. 16 minus 1 equals to 15. Like that only, for every number, if we are adding plus 1, then the next number is the successor of that given number. And predecessor is the subtracting 1 from that given number. So try this. In 6.2, try these are there. Write the predecessor of and successor of 19, 1997, 12,000, 49 and 1 lakh. So for that answer, given number is 19. Then the predecessor will be 19 minus 1, 18. Successor will be 19 plus 1, 20. Next one is 1997. For the 1997, predecessor will be 1997 minus 1, that is 1996, and successor 1997 plus 1. By adding plus 1 to the 1997, that is the 1998. Next number is the 12,000. This 12,000, for that predecessor will be subtracting 1 from this number. So that is 11,999. So next successor will be plus adding 1 to this 12,000, 12,001. Next 49. For the 49, predecessor is the 48 and the successor is the 50. Next for 1 lakh, 99,000 will be the predecessor and 1 lakh 1 will be the successor. So next to try this is there any natural number that has no predecessor? The smallest natural number is 1, which has no predecessor. Normally we say that from 1 the starting of natural numbers, because 0 is not a natural number but it is considered as a whole number. So for that, smallest natural number is 1, which has no predecessor, because 1 minus 1 is the 0 and 0 is not a natural number. Is there any natural number that has no successor? Is there a last natural number? No, there is no natural number that has no successor. We know that almost all the natural numbers are having the successors, because we are adding 1 to the given numbers, so we are getting the successor. For that purpose, there is no natural number that has no successor. And the second question is there a last natural number? No, there is no last natural number, because infinity, normally we say that from 1 to infinity are the natural numbers. Next, whole numbers. The collection of numbers along with 0 form a whole numbers. We can say that these natural numbers from 1 to infinity along with 0. 0 is not considered as a natural number, but along with 0, all the natural numbers are making a whole numbers. Next, in the try this, some of the questions are asked. Are all natural numbers also whole numbers? Yes, all natural numbers are whole numbers, because we know that from 1 to infinity are all the natural numbers only, and they are forming a whole numbers. Are all whole numbers also natural numbers? No, all whole numbers are not natural numbers, because 0 is a whole number but it is not a natural number. Third question, which is the greatest whole number? There is no greatest whole number because every whole number has a successor. Every whole number is having a successor. Next, the number line. A number line is a pictorial representation of numbers on a straight line. So normally a number line, it is a pictorial representation. Here only we can see it starts from a 0, and normally we say that 0 and right to that 0 is a positive numbers and left to that 0 is a negative numbers. Normally the negative numbers are placed on the left side and the positive numbers are placed on the right side. So a number line is a pictorial representation of numbers on a straight line. It is a reference of comparing and ordering numbers. So here 0 is in the middle and almost all the numbers are at the equal intervals. So all are having a equal intervals, and it is why because it is the reference for comparing and ordering numbers. We can compare the numbers here and we can add, subtract, or we can multiply the numbers here on the number line. 0 is marked in the middle and all the positive natural numbers are on the right side and negative natural numbers are on the left side. So next, addition on the number line. So the addition on the number line, for example, here is 3 plus 6 equals to 9. So 3. So we can see here it is the 0. It is known as 0. And here 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 6. From 3 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So normally from 3 to it starts from 3. We have a here curved line, so we can identify very easily. From 3 it starts. 1 means it is 4, 2 means it is 5, 3 it is 6, 7 it is 4, 5 means it is 8, and 9 means it is 6. So we can say that 3 plus 6 equals to 9, and we have to mark here. It is the addition on the number line. And here normally the arrow mark, it is in the clockwise manner. In the addition on the number line, we have to mark the arrow mark on the clockwise manner. Then subtraction of number line. Normally the subtraction of on number line, it is 5 minus 3 equals to 2. For example, we are taking this 5 minus 3 equals to 2. So this is 5, here it is located, and here it is 2, because first is the 0, next, and in the equal intervals there are numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here it is 5. From the 5 we are subtracting 2. From the 5 we are subtracting 3. For that purpose, from the 5 the arrow mark will be anti-clockwise direction. It is in the anti-clockwise direction. 1 means it is 4. From again one arrow mark means that is 3, and one more, that will be 2. Here we can say that 5 minus 3 means 1, 5 to 3. 1, 2, 3. So it is here, the answer is 2. We have to mark arrow mark in the anti-clockwise direction. Next, multiplication on the number line. Usually the multiplication, example, it is taken here 3 into 4 equals to 12. 3 4s are. Normally 4 is only multiplied by 3 times. From 0 it starts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it is one curve, 4, and next 4. From 4 to 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is again one curve, means 2 times it is multiplied, and one more time, because here they have given 3 times, we have to multiply the 4. So from 8 to again it is 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So thus 4 is multiplied by 3 times. So answer is 12. So this is the whole numbers, predecessor, successor, and number line, addition on the number line, subtraction on the number line, then multiplication on the number line.